Hey y'all, welcome back to Van Products How To. Today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble, use, and install a Q'Straint Stanchion Seatbelt System. As you can see, there are two buckles and the seatbelt should already be up in the ceiling of the Honda van. There's going to be a smaller buckle that looks like so. This will go on the right when looking out of the exit, and the seatbelt will go on the left side. These devices are equipped with the standard Q'Straint groove system. This allows you to line the mechanism up with the grooves in the floor. Push in, maybe give it a little wiggle, and it will lock right in just like so. Repeat that with the left. I'm going to show you an example on the left side from a different angle. So you can see this one is already in, so I'm going to remove it, which we'll cover later. Align the grooves with the grooves in the floor. Wiggle, push, and it's locked in. Here's a view from the outside. The ramp is now lowered and the user can enter the vehicle. Once you enter, you're going to want to maneuver your wheelchair so you're facing forward in the center. This is about the width that you should put the seatbelt holders, a little bit wider than the tires. After you've done this, you can lock it in with the Q'Straint and begin. First, I'm going to show you without anyone in the wheelchair. The big buckle will come all the way across and down and attach to the left side. The small buckle will go across the wheelchair and to the right side. This can be performed in any order. Here's an angle of what it looks like with nobody in. Now I'll demonstrate myself. As you can see, I'm doing the inverse here. I've attached the small buckle and I'm pulling this one across my lap. I'm locked in with the Q'Straint and I'm ready to go. When pulling these apart, this small buckle has a small lever on the side. You can use the seatbelt buckle to disengage it, or you can use a car key, credit card, or anything you may have handy. I'm using a car key. It's now been disengaged and the seatbelt has retracted into the ceiling. This is the typical Q'Straint removal system. You pull the lever just like I showed, and I'll show here, to remove the seatbelt. Pull up, wiggle, and you're out. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll see you guys next time. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Have a good one.